right, so welcome back, guys. We're here to test our lever, and we have our lever arm. And what I really want you to notice on our lever arm is we have 3 different holes in our lever, and we're going to test how the lever works at different positions. Okay, remember the fulcrum is that middle piece that is standing right beside me, and we're going to test how moving the fulcrum around changes how easy or how hard it is to lift a load or lift that bag of rocks. So what we're going to do first is we're going to use this first hole, and we are going to put the load as far away from Ava as we can, and we're going to let her test lifting the rocks up, okay? So I'm going to bring this over and set up my lever by placing this right back in and tightening it back up. So we are going to go ahead and position Ava on this side of the lever. She's going to be doing the work. She's going to be pulling down on the lever to make the lever on the other end go up. I'm going to lift the load here because for me this isn't a terribly heavy load. And we are going to have Ava push on the lever. Go ahead, Ava. Ava, how's that feel?
It feels a little bit harder.
Sorry, so Ava said it felt a little bit harder. So she is trying to lift the load. The load is very far away from her and the fulcrum is very close to her. So we're going to try a different load position in this one, okay? So the next one we are going to do is move the fulcrum a little closer. So I'm going to unslide again, pop out my pin, and slide the fulcrum a little bit closer. So we have test number 2. So we have Ava over here doing some force. You can notice it's a little bit more of an incline for Ava, a little bit steeper. We have the load on here and the fulcrum right in the middle, the part where the lever is turning on. So Ava, go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, so we had some work happening. Ava, how'd that feel?
It felt a little better, and I went a lot higher than last time.
Okay, so she's able to move that load pretty easily, and she was able to get that up compared to the load being further away and the fulcrum being closer to her. Now we're going to try the last position, and we're going to pop out that pin, and we're going to see how Ava does with the fulcrum even closer. So now we have the fulcrum very close to where the bag of rocks is, the load, the weight. We have a very steep incline where Ava's going to have to reach up even higher, but she's going to now try to do some work, and let's see how this works. Ava threw it up so fast. Ava, what happened there?
It was way easier for me to lift it up.
It was way easier.
So it had like a little bit less rocks in it.
So it felt a lot lighter, she was saying. So what we learn about a lever is the closer we get the fulcrum to the load, the easier it is to lift the load. What we also notice is the closer we get the fulcrum to the load, the more distance we have to cover, so the longer we have to work. Ava had to pull from higher up, but it was easier. So we have to work a little bit longer, but we're making it a lot easier. So that's kind of the secret of the lever. Closer the fulcrum to the load, the easier it is to lift something up, okay? On the next page, you're gonna look at a couple different levers, and you're gonna have to choose which one you think would be the easiest to lift the load. And you're gonna type in your answer on the following slides. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Ava, and we'll see you soon.